You close your eyes, not because some movie told you to. You close them because when your lips get that close to someone else's, your brain can't handle the visual and the feeling at the same time. So it picks the feeling. Trust that. Your lips touch theirs. Gently. Just pressure. Nothing fancy. This part lasts longer than you think it will. And that's the point. You're not rushing. Now, here's the part nobody explains. You take the very tip of your tongue. The tip, not the whole thing. Just the tip. And you brush the lower lip. Softly. That's it. That's the signal. You're asking, without saying anything, can we go further? If they open their mouth a little, or if their tongue comes to meet yours, the answer's yes. If it doesn't, you just stay with the lips. No drama, no pressure. When the tongues meet, they just touch at the tips, like two people saying hello. They don't wrestle, they don't dive in. One tongue enters a tiny bit, the other welcomes it. Then they swap. It's a conversation, not a speech. The move that actually drives people crazy? Tiny, slow circles, with just a tip, around their tongue. Once, twice, breathe through your nose, please. Nobody talks about this, and it's why half of first kisses go sideways. In through the nose. Don't hold your breath. And then, the most important thing, you pull back. Just a little, few seconds. Look at them, smile, even just a bit, then come back in. That pause, that's where the kiss actually becomes something they'll remember. If your first one's a little awkward, good, means it was real. You've got this.